The backlog at the Bexar County DA's office is probably worse than what the media is reporting. And the media is telling us that it is historically bad. But I'm going to explain to you why they probably aren't seeing all of the backlog that exists at the Bexar County DA's office. So there are two kinds of unfiled cases, and the media is only picking up on one kind. What is an unfiled case? An unfiled case is any case that has not gotten to the point where the DA's office has filed an information, or in felony cases, an indictment. Those documents are the formal charging documents. And if the DA's office hasn't filed those things, the courts don't yet have jurisdiction. So let's say there is a case where my guy has been arrested and the case is absolutely trash. And I say, Judge, I want a jury trial. Please give me a jury trial. The judge will look at me and say, Mr. Locke, have you lost your mind? You have a case that doesn't have an indictment or information yet. I can't ask that the state go to trial today because I don't have any jurisdiction over that case yet. So that's an unfiled case. But there are two kinds of unfiled cases. The first is when there's an arrest, but no information or indictment. So they've arrested somebody and that person's either in jail or they've made bond, they're living under conditions of bond, but the state hasn't told the court why they believe in a sworn document that there's probable cause that a crime committed and that that person committed the crime. That's the first kind of unfiled case. The second is when there's an investigation that's taking place. It's called an at-large case. And that case is when they're investigating the case and they're still trying to decide whether or not there's probable cause. Once they decide there's probable cause, because there's been no arrest, a warrant is issued for the person that is under investigation and that they just filed the information or the indictment on. So both of those cases, but the media is only seeing the first kind, the kind where there's an arrest but no information or indictment. There are lots of other cases where there's an investigation pending and they know that a crime has occurred. They're just trying to figure out if there's probable cause that this person committed it. So the media is only seeing half the story, and that should be really alarming to all the citizens of Bexar County.